Assalamualaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect the PostgreSQL with your Django application. So in the previous video, we have created this basic Django app. Okay, this is just like we launched the Django app, and after that the successful message is showing. Okay, so in this video, I will show it to you how you can connect the PostgreSQL with this app. Okay, so by default the admin section is also comes with this Django. For example, if I write here admin as a route, here you can see that it shows me this page. So but we not yet connected to database. Okay, so how we connect this database? Okay, go to your code, and when you open the settings.php, and here you can see that inside the database the by default database engine is SQLite. Okay, so here we will basically mention the PostgreSQL credential. Okay, so you need to install the PostgreSQL in your operating system. I am using the window and I already installed the PGAdmin 4. Okay, so this is the interface of PGAdmin 4. If you want to download and install this, okay, then go to the browser, and inside the browser, okay, go to this specific link, that is pgadmin.org/download, and inside this one you can download the PGAdmin 4. Okay, whatever operating system you have. As I have Windows, so I download this. Okay, after downloading and installation of the PGAdmin 4, when you open this type of interface will be given to you. Okay, inside the, for example, here this is the server. Okay, inside the server and inside this database, go to that, and inside this schema here, so basically if I click on the table, here you can see that no table is basically shown. So basically we will migrate some table from that specific Django app. Okay, so here you can see that the database name is Postgres. Okay, so by default Postgre comes with this default database, that is PostgreX. Okay, and basically inside this array we will mention this credential of Postgre. Okay, so here remove this and replace this database with that database. Okay, so inside this database array, now we on the engine here we define the PostgreSQL, and the name of the database is by default PostgreSQL. We have user, by default comes with the username Postgres. Okay, and the name of the database is also Postgres, and the password I set it root, so by default the password is come with the root. We have the localhost. Basically on a host we set it localhost, and the port is 5432. Okay, so this is also mentioned in video description, just copy and paste this. Okay, and here you can see that inside the PostgreAdmin, here we have no table yet. Okay, so now go to your terminal and here launch a new terminal. Okay, and here basically we run the migration. So migration is the Django project is by default comes with the built-in migration. So migration will create the different tables inside this database. Okay, that is Postgre. Okay, this database. First, basically we will activate the virtual environment through the pip env shell command, and after that here write this command, that is python manage.py, and then the migrate command. Okay, when we enter this, after saving this database, it will basically create the different tables that comes by default in migration with Django inside this Postgre database name Postgres. Okay, when I enter this command, it shows me this error. In order to fix this type of issue, here write this command, that is pip install and psy copy to binary, and as we are using the virtual environment, so therefore pip env and install this thing, press enter. After it, okay, if this is not showing, then install it with the pip command. Okay, so as by using the environment it shows me the error, so therefore I install with the pip command. Here you can see that it collecting the copy to binary file, and after that here, after saving this, okay, so basically here if I again write this command, that is pip install the python manage and migrate command. Here you can see that now all migration have been done. So we will do this. One thing is replace this, that is, and after that install the uh, psy copy 2 with the pip command. After that, if I go to the pgadmin, here if I inside this database, if I refresh it, and inside the schema, inside the tables, here you can see that all these tables have been successfully created by the migration. So this is how you can connect your PostgreSQL with Django application through this database array. So inside the engine, your engine have been this one, and then you will write, so basically here, this command, that is pip install and the psy copy to binary. So that's it. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can ask your question on video comment section, or a question link is mentioned in video description. Just go to that specific link. I will answer it to you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.